Hello everyone, today we have 2017. I will show you very quick how to obtain the key code with your scan tool. So how to obtain the key code over here with your scan tool. Without the scan tool you have to have two keys, and then put the first one in with the ignition on for 5 seconds, and then turn it off. Use the second key for 5 seconds, and the code will be displayed right here. If you don't have two keys, you can go ahead with any scan tool. It's comparable, and then you're gonna go system selection, and then you're gonna go body module. With the body module, you can where is the body module? So once you click the body module, and then you should have the special function, which is gonna display the special function, and then you're gonna go factory key close entry, hit OK. All right, and that's here you go. It was very quick. You don't have to have two keys. It's gonna be 11513. Okay, it was a quick tip on how to obtain the door key code. Thank you.